Hello, hi, Pihu.
Hello, my name is Pihu. I study in grade 3 and my school's name is Matrikiran. And the book I wrote, its name is My Storybooks.
That's great. All right. First of all, congratulations on your book and congratulations on this podcast as well.
Thank
So
you.
it's very young age to write a book and become a published author. To be just in grade three and write an amazing book. So I've read your book and it is a very interesting book. So would you like to tell me how did you get the idea to write about this book?
A long time back, I always felt like I wanted to write a book. I didn't know where to start. But then when this contest came up, I was so happy I finally can write a book.
That is great. So, before given the opportunity to write a book on the Rebooks platform, you had in mind that you wanted to become an author?
Yeah, not an author, but I just wanted to write a book.
All right. So now that your dream has come true, how do you feel about it?
Really good.
And is this the first book that you have written?
Yes.
All right. So, I mean, can you also tell us what is this book about, your story box?
It's about two stories. One is about an alien,
Right?
and one is about a missing mermaid.
Yes. So, how did you think of all of these, these two stories? Because these are very different stories from one another. How did you come up with these two stories?
Because the first story I thought I wanted to make it something about a mermaid. And then the second story, yeah, I thought of an alien. How interesting would that be?
And did you think of these two stories and characters when you started writing the book, or did you think about them before you started writing the book?
I started writing the book that time only I heard. I I thought of them.
All right. And what inspires you to, write more books or to write a story that you had written?
It felt so good to write a book. I really liked it.
You're super cute, by the way, and
Thank
your
you.
stories are also very, very good. Both of the stories are amazing, and there is this character, I think Priya, that celebrates the birthday in one of your
Yeah,
stories, right? So
yeah,
what is the story of that character?
that character. I just thought of it. Hmm?
And you becoming a published author is not just about writing the book. It is also
Mhm.
about promoting yourself and getting more readers for your book. So how did you
Mhm.
come up with the techniques and tricks to get more readers? Did you take somebody's help, or did you come up with some techniques on your own?
I took my mother's help.
All right. And so therefore, it's not just your journey of becoming a published author, it's her journey as well.
Yeah.
Right. And you understand that book writing takes a lot of efforts. You have to research, you
Hmm.
have to think about the plot, you have to write the title and this the story as well. So now that you have become a published author, if there was one advice that you could give to new authors, somebody who's writing a new book, what would that be?
Just think of some fiction character.
And write and go ahead with it. You don't just not put too many thoughts of what to write and what not to write, because you can make up a story, right? Do not
Hmm.
restrict yourself.
Yeah.
All right. And do you also read books?
Yeah, I like reading books.
What kind of books do you read?
I read fiction.
All right. And
And my favorite series is Faraway Tree.
all
I read.
And if I were to ask you the favorite part of the book that you have written, what would that be?
I like the alien story and the mermaid story. I like them both.
You like them both. And do you think that, you will write any other book or maybe different topic, different book in the future?
I think I will. I don't know.
All right. So you're just going with the flow, right? You have written a book, you enjoying this book, you like what it is doing. It's a huge achievement, right? Because
Mhm.
just getting the first printed copy of the book that you have written, you have been reading books, you must have had, some kind of a shelf, some place to keep all of the books that you like.
Yeah,
You have your book there too.
yeah. It's in my room.
Right.
I can get it.
All right. All right. Okay. Also, because book writing also requires some kind of thinking, and maybe you
Yeah.
might have faced some challenges. So did you face some challenges while writing the book, and how did you overcome all of those challenges?
I was like, at first, when I started writing, I didn't even know what to write about. My mother gave me ideas, and then we had to change it. Not the first story,
All right. And why did you keep the name of the book My Story Box?
because there were two stories, and it was like a box. I don't know why.
That's super creative. You just said that it looks like a box and there were more than just one story. So it's
Yeah.
a very creative name.
Mm-hmm. Thank you.
You're welcome. Also, did the book writing process, the entire journey, did it kind of anyway help you in improving your comprehensive skills, or maybe your vocabulary or something in your writing?
No, I don't
So you just wrote out, whatever was in your heart and whatever you thought of at that point, and then that is your
know.
book
Mm-hmm.
about.
Yeah.
Are there any other, genres, if you were to write another book, do you think that there is, some kind of specific genre that you would want to explore or write a book about?
I would like to write in fiction, but
I'm so sorry, you just got muted.
I would like to write about another character I never heard of before.
All right. And did you share your book with your friends and your family and maybe some
Yeah,
school?
my best friend also got it.
Oh, that's
My
great.
school best friend.
And
She
what?
also wrote a book.
That's great.
She
So
also
have
wrote.
you also gotten her book?
I got two copies. I actually got one copy. Yeah, I got one copy of her book.
That's amazing. So see, everybody, all of these young people, they have their own journey of writing a book. They have their own stories, and it's a great way to express yourself. It's very calming. It's therapeutic. You get to learn a lot of new things, and even think of multiple stories. So,
Mhm.
if there is anything else that you would want to share about your journey as a published author, or anything special about your book.
No,
All right. Okay. Thank you so much for connecting with us. Congratulations once again, and
thank
I
you.
hope to read many more books from you. This one is great, definitely. Thank you. Bye bye.